I am pure darkness, sparkleless, glitterless, imageless, but still infinitely limitless. Pre-Genesis, before man had crawled the land, before all you know even began. I think thoughts untranslated, I'm ungraded. My first rhyme had no words to say it. Force of the immaculate, you only exist cause I imagined it. Slit your wrist upon fathoming it. Accurate intellect, the weight of my brain tilts my neck. Obeying the will, I select. My face so dark that it doesn't reflect. The beast in me only awakes at sunset. My life has no connection with hope in it. The blood I drink has extra pulp in it. I spit rhymes in the graveyard of my block. I get a rush, hearing niggas beat the coffin tops. I grow my own trees in the woods I'm from. I need branches to leave niggas hung. I'm running out of higher density, so the gun in my waist is the only thing holding me from floating into space. The reign of the Lord will snatch your life as off, leave you looking permanently slow, like your eyes are crossed. Does the Lord stays calm and peace like, depending what the beat's like, I may act beast like. The reign of the Lord will snatch your life as off, leave you looking permanently slow, like your eyes are crossed. The God stays calm and peace like, depending what the beat's like, I may act beast like. I'm motherfucking faithless, atheist, racist, faceless, ageless, shapeless. Mind elevates into states I'm weightless. Spine shake when they in the wake of greatness. An animal, you're more afraid of me than I am of you. Black Hannibal, untangible, a great mind, created divine by Satan's design. Snake spine, devil's Frankenstein. You think it's just simple words, get your temple surge, get your mental purge, knock the life out your central nerves. It ain't a death I don't deserve, it ain't even a fit punishment for me to serve. My only need is L's to cook, I only read spell books. I decorate my room to imitate how hell looks. A bad lurking, a screen of mad vermin. The light don't pass between the black curtains. Friendless, supremacist, innerless, mankind's arch nemesis, spiritless, murdering from night to morn. I'm asleep by the first fucking sights of dawn. The reign of the Lord will snatch your life as off, leave you looking permanently slow, like your eyes are crossed. Does the Lord stays calm and peace like, depending what the beat's like, I may act beast like. The reign of the Lord will snatch your life as off, leave you looking permanently slow, like your eyes are crossed. The God stays calm and peace like, depending what the beat's like, I may act beast like. I want the worst death man can feel. I ground metal cans in my meals, I swallow the pills without sales. Shit is real, 4 bill, 4 mil, trying to civilize devilish man from Israel. That's my job as the father and God, overcoming obstacles with impossible odds. Paradise lost, caveman kidnapped the stars and trying to move us back to Mars. Blind of our actual cause, but even the closed doctors still see black as our law. I made the first laws on this worthless ball. If I ever left the earth, then the birds would fall. I'm the God.